Hello, guys. This is Gold Sniper here, and let's just begin our analysis of XAUUSD that is for the coming week, Monday. And if you will see, I have taken here the daily chart of gold, and you can see on the daily chart of gold that we are, following a trend line over here. Okay, and this trend line. Even yesterday also, I mean, day before yesterday on Thursday, we made a wick around, somewhere around here 2015, and again we entered back inside the trend line, and we are pushing again upwards. Okay, so from the daily chart, some conclusions that I can draw is that if you will see, the upside is getting, I mean, I'll just draw it and show you so you'll understand what I'm trying to say. Is that you see, once first we bounced here, we made a new lifetime high, then we fell again to test this zone. Okay, from here again we bounced. Okay, so the major resistance is this 2090 onwards, 2090 to 2150. But if you'll see, buyers are slowly gaining strength. That is, if, again, maybe it might again, go here and again come to retest this trend line. Okay, but if you'll see, we are sort of, coming inside a narrow triangle. Okay, I'll explain that. So I'll use one more line over here. Since there are so many black lines over here, I'm going to use another color line. Okay, just give me a second. I'll make this line. I'll first draw it. So we can say, or I'll just use a box. That would be better, rectangle box. So this, somewhere over here, okay, this area, from this area to like this area, I'll mark it like something like a very big, yeah, red box. Okay, so this area basically is the big block of resistance over here, but we can see buyers are slowly, bringing, for a breakout. They are ultimately preparing for a breakout. Okay, we can see, because this is an ascending triangle channel. Okay, and I think once, enough buyers have built strength, okay, there is very likely going to be a breakout on the chart of gold. And when this breakout happens, I'm telling you, for the next 2 3 to 5 years, gold is going to be on a bull run cycle. Okay, a new bull run cycle, and it will go and make fresh lifetime highs. All right, guys. So that is, on the basis of daily chart, my theory. Okay, now we will jump to our regular 4-hour charts. Okay, so these black lines that you see, they are our 4-hour zones, demand and supply zones. Okay, and over here, if you will see on the 4-hour chart, this is the daily support which is coming. And this fall over here was a false breakdown, to trap all retailers into selling. And that's when the operator, reversed the market again, brought the gold back inside the trend line. And now on the 4-hour chart, we can see we have formed a beautiful, uh, w pattern. Okay, it's a double bottom, a sort of double, it's a double bottom but not equal lows, but we can say it's still a double bottom. Okay, this was purposefully done to, hunt down all the, retail traders. But now it's again in the bullish phase. Okay, it gave a breakout above the w pattern, and now it's retested this zone. Okay, but what my theory is, there are two possibilities. On Monday, maybe it may go even till here also. Okay, but what I think, very likely, even after coming here again, it may test this zone over here and then finally give a breakout. Why do I say that? Because other than this double bottom, if you see, there is a head and shoulder pattern also going on. And for that, you need, I'll use the curve tool. Just a second. Yeah, so if you will see this curve right here. Okay, this is the left shoulder. We have the head of this pattern. It's a w pattern also, but a head also, we can say. Okay, of the head and shoulder pattern. And it has gone up now, but there, a right shoulder formation is pending like this. Okay, so once this right shoulder is formed, then we can see a good upwards momentum forming, higher high, higher low. So for Monday, I am expecting we may test this zone of 2065, or maybe even 2077 also. All right. And then either from here or from here, we can see a selling, and we can see a form of a wick. Okay. One wick will come and test most likely this zone of 2042 to 2038. uh, I'll just draw that and show using the path tool. So yeah, once now this, since this is tested, what may happen is on Monday we can go either from here, we may go till here, okay, or maybe in the American session maybe go till here also. But there's going to be a big sell off, okay, and either test this zone or test this zone once again. Okay, I don't know, the sell off could be from there also or it could be from here also. Okay, but this zone again it might get retested, and then we can see this higher high move start again. All right, so that's my expectation for the chart of gold on Monday. All right, guys, so this is my basic analysis for the chart of gold. And do note that sometimes it may not exactly touch our 4 hour zones, because there is also 1 hour demand and supply zones. Like over here there was a 1 hour supply zone over here, so it couldn't exactly reach this supply zone of 4 hours one, and that's why from there it turned around. All right, but overall the momentum is very strong. All right, guys, and we also need to look next week what are the news is coming out. Okay, because those are going to also influence the the overall structure and fundamental chart of gold. All right, guys, so that's all for today. Thank you and have a great day then.